One day, one of my kids really hurt my feelings. He was about 14 years old, and I came to give him a hug and a kiss, and he pushed me away. I felt so rejected. We're a family that's so united, thank God. We're so huggy, huggy, kissy, kissy, warm, warm. And suddenly, my son pushes me away, and he then told me, Daddy, I want you to know something. I'm not a baby anymore. You want to connect with me? You want to show me your love? Speak to me like an adult. I want to be treated like an adult. I'm not a baby. The moment I understood that it was for me to change the way I expressed myself, not changing my voice when I speak to my child, speak to them about real topics, intelligent topics, consider them full-fledged adults, and give them the love the way they want it. Give them the time and the attention the way they want it. At that moment, you show true love. You show the love that your kid wants to have. So don't be offended. It's just a part of personal growth. Today, Baruch Hashem, I don't have to go to my kids. They come to me to give me hugs and kisses.